Let's dive into the story of how populations boom, stabilize, and sometimes even shrink over time.
Ever wonder why some countries are growing like crazy and others aren't? It's a huge puzzle.
To crack the code, you really only need two numbers: how many people are born and how many die.
First up, the birth rate. That's just how many babies are born each year for every 1,000 people.
And on the flip side, you have the death rate. You guessed it, deaths per 1,000 people.
Now, the dance between these two numbers tells a country's whole story. It's called the demographic transition model.
Think of it like a five-act play, showing how a country develops. Let's check it out.
In Stage 1, high death rates from disease kept populations low, but Stage 2, that's a population explosion.
So what does that explosion actually look like? Let's take a quick trip to Nigeria. In Nigeria, better healthcare means fewer deaths, but birth rates stay high. This creates a huge young population.
Okay, then in Stage 3, birth rates start to drop. By Stage 4, everything kind of levels out again.
Now for a totally different story. For Stage 4, let's head to Ireland, which has a wild history.
Get this, Ireland's population is smaller today than in the 1840s because of the devastating Great Famine.
But after a huge economic boom, Ireland's population is finally growing again thanks to immigration. And here's a key sign of a Stage 4 country. The average age of the population is getting higher.
You can really see this in their population pyramids. Nigeria's wide base means it's young. Ireland's is more even.
So what's the final chapter in this story? Welcome to Stage 5 decline.
In Stage 5, the birth rate drops so low that the population actually starts to shrink.
Now, it's super important to remember, this model is a great guide, but it's not a crystal ball.
Which leaves us with a massive question for the future. What happens when more countries start to shrink?